Today, we embark on a journey into the mesmerizing world hidden beneath the waves. The ocean is not only home to giant whales and sharks, but also to extraordinary creatures, colorful, strange, and equipped with unbelievable abilities. From coral reefs to the dark depths of the sea, these beings have developed incredible survival strategies. Some glow with light, some turn invisible, while others captivate us with their astonishing appearances. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more documentary-style wildlife content. If you're ready, let's dive in and uncover the secrets of the ocean together. Chromodoris annae. With its bright blue body bordered by orange lines and marked with black stripes, Chromodoris annae is one of the most striking nudibranch species of the reefs. Though small, its vivid colors shine like a warning signal in the ocean. It measures about 3 to 5 centimeters in length and feeds on sponges. Remarkably, it stores the toxins from the sponges it consumes in its own body, using them as a defense against predators. Graceful in its movements and dazzling in its colors, this sea slug has become one of the most photographed creatures in tropical waters. Siamese fighting fish. Native to the rice paddies and still waters of Southeast Asia, Betta Splendens is renowned for its dazzling colors and long, elegant fins, flowing like silk through the water. But behind this beauty lies a fierce warrior. Male bettas become intensely aggressive when defending their territory, flaring their fins and displaying their vibrant colors to intimidate rivals. Measuring about 6 to 7 centimeters in length, this small fish embodies both grace and combat spirit, making it one of the most iconic species in the aquarium world. Murex Ternispina. Easily recognized by the sharp spines covering its shell, Murex Ternispina is one of the most striking mollusks of the ocean. These spines serve as a natural armor, protecting it from predators. It can grow up to 8 to 12 centimeters in length and inhabits rocky shorelines. A carnivorous species, it feeds by drilling into small mollusks. Throughout history, certain Murex species were highly prized for producing the famous royal purple dye from the secretions of their shells. For this reason, the Murex Ternispina holds not only biological significance but also a deep cultural value. Ocean sunfish. The world's heaviest bony fish, the ocean sunfish. Growing over 3 meters in length and weighing up to 2 tons, it looks enormous yet remains calm and harmless. With its flattened body, it resembles a giant round disc. It usually swims near the surface, sometimes lifting its massive fins above the water as if sunbathing. Its diet consists mainly of jellyfish. Slow but majestic in its movements, this gentle giant is often encountered by divers and is considered one of the ocean's strangest yet most impressive fish. Flamingo tongue snail. One of the most striking mollusks of the Caribbean coral reefs, the flamingo tongue snail. With its bright orange surface covered in bold black spots, it immediately stands out. What's fascinating is that these patterns don't belong to the shell itself, but to the living tissue covering it. When threatened, the snail retracts this tissue, revealing a plain white shell underneath. Measuring only about 2 to 3 centimeters, this small snail feeds on sea fans. Though it may look like a delicate piece of jewelry, it is in fact a hidden predator that plays an important role in the marine ecosystem. Sea moth, Pegasidae. Gliding along the seafloor as if walking, the sea moth is a tiny dragon-like fish covered in bony armor plates. With its delicate, wing-like fins, it slowly moves across the sand in a graceful crawl. It grows to about 12 centimeters in length and skillfully camouflages itself by matching the colors of its surroundings. Sea moths prefer to move in pairs, with mates often staying together for life. With its mysterious appearance and unusual way of moving, the sea moth is regarded as one of the strangest yet most elegant inhabitants of the ocean. Weedy Sea Dragon. Found along the southern coasts of Australia, the Weedy Sea Dragon resembles a seaweed-covered dragon. Leaf-like appendages sprouting from its body make it nearly invisible among marine plants. It can grow up to about 45 centimeters in length and, with its vibrant patterns, looks like a fairy tale creature of the underwater world. A close relative of the seahorse, it differs in one key way: it cannot grasp with its tail. Its most fascinating feature lies in reproduction. It is the male that carries the eggs. After receiving them from the female, he protects them in a special pouch on his tail, making him one of the ocean's most extraordinary fathers. Axolotl. Meaning water monster, the axolotl is a fascinating resident of Mexico's lakes. What sets it apart from other amphibians is that it never fully matures, remaining in its larval stage, keeping its external gills, yet still able to reproduce. It can grow up to about 25 centimeters in length and, with its charming smile-like expression, has become a favorite in aquariums. But its true miracle lies in regeneration. It can regrow lost limbs, its spinal cord, and even parts of its heart. With its fairy tale-like appearance and extraordinary abilities, the axolotl stands as one of nature's true wonders. Grapsus. The colorful runner of the Pacific coasts, Grapsus immediately catches the eye with its dazzling shades of red, orange, and blue. On wave-battered rocks, it moves with extraordinary agility, sliding, leaping, and darting away in an instant. Feeding on both algae and small creatures, it helps clean the shoreline and brings vitality to the ecosystem. Measuring only 5 to 7 centimeters, these small crabs are far more than their bright appearance. They are an essential part of coastal life. Bigfin reef squid. The master performer of tropical reefs, the bigfin reef squid. With its wide fins wrapping around its body, it glides as if cloaked in a flowing cape. It can grow up to 30 to 40 centimeters in length and possesses an incredible ability to change colors. Thanks to the chromatophore cells in its skin, it can alter its patterns within seconds, both to hide from predators and to communicate with its shoal. Intelligent and curious, it has even been observed approaching divers and making eye contact. With these traits, it stands out as one of the most mysterious and enchanting inhabitants of the reef. Hairy frogfish. One of the ocean's true masters of camouflage, the hairy frogfish. Covered in hair-like appendages, its body blends so perfectly with algae and corals that it seems to vanish into the seafloor. But its most remarkable feature is the fishing lure that extends from its head. By wiggling this appendage like a small prey fish, it lures curious victims closer, then, in less than a second, snaps its mouth wide open and swallows them whole. Growing up to about 20 centimeters, this bizarre creature is not only strange in appearance but also one of the ocean's most unusual and efficient ambush predators. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. It can reach lengths of up to 12 meters and weigh as much as 20 tons. Yet despite its enormous size, it is graceful and gentle. Feeding mainly on tiny plankton, shrimp, and schools of fish, it filters the water by swimming with its mouth wide open, its hundreds of small teeth acting like a giant sieve. Usually found in warm ocean waters, the whale shark often swims near the surface and sometimes drifts calmly alongside divers like a peaceful giant. Encountering one means witnessing one of the ocean's most magnificent inhabitants. Triops. Triops is a living fossil that has remained almost unchanged for 300 million years. Also known as the tadpole shrimp, it inhabits small ponds and temporary rainwater pools. Its body length usually ranges from 3 to 8 centimeters. The shield-like carapace not only protects it but also helps it move easily along the bottom. An omnivore, it feeds on everything from algae to small insects. Thanks to its incredible resilience, its eggs can survive for years even in dried-up pools. This remarkable ability makes Triops one of nature's most enduring and mysterious creatures. And so, our fascinating journey into the extraordinary creatures hidden in the ocean depths comes to an end. Each one has revealed an incredible survival strategy crafted by nature. But which of these ocean beings did you find the most intriguing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future explorations. Until our next journey, farewell.